The blind shall see, the deaf shall hear, the lame shall live for joy. Everybody shall be exalted, and every ill be done. And all God's people shall see together the glory of the Lord. Stand upon the mountain top, lift up your voice to the world. Sing joyfully with Jerusalem, behold, behold your God. Everybody shall be exalted, and every hill is low. And all God's people shall see together the glory of the Lord. The glory of the Lord. Thank you, very
Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Guys, ha? Wala, dito lang. Pa-central ka? Ha? Wala. Kailangan mo? Saan? To? Kanin. Eto guys, may handaan na naman. Ayan. So yummy. Oh. Kakain tayo. Sa sarap ng mga food. Oy, may bangus. Wow. Kay Ate Josie to. Sa'yo to lang. Bangus. Tsaka yung sorop-sorop naman. Tsaka yun. Tapos ano pa, sinigang na baboy.
Sila Father?
Hindi, paunahin na lang natin sila. Nakukuha.
Paunahin na lang
kasi
sila
bago
kuha.
yung kwan, kasi kung mauli sila Father, wala nang makukuha sa amin.
Wow, sarap-sarap
Mauna kayo.
naman.
Oo nga, ibig sabihin kayong ganun. Kasi kung mauna yung ano,
Wala na.
Ito mapunang to ko nila. Ngayon nila ng pieces. Chocolate cake.
Double celebration, birthday celebration, and the return of Father Lolan here, and then the farewell party of Nyasa. Hello guys, ito ayan, kumuha sila ng food, kainan na, kainan na.